Hello, welcome back. Now, continuing on with the MS Word basic class. In the previous class, it was the first class and it was only the basic and introduction class of MS Word. In the previous class, we just learned only the basics, in which we included the status bar, title bar, menu bar. We had just not gone in the depth. So now we are just gonna start it from today. This is the lecture 2 of MS Word. We are getting in the video now. Okay, so now today we are just gonna learn about this clipboard and this font. And in this clipboard, we are just not gonna learn about the format printer. We are just gonna continue it in the future. Okay, now first of all, I told you guys in the previous video that we are having a formula by default in MS Word, which is equal to rand bracket. Now when I press enter, MS Word by default gives me 5 paragraphs, which are usually used by beginners when they are just learning MS Word. Okay, look, these are the 5 paragraphs. Now I am just gonna format and edit them, and I am gonna show you. Okay, now first of all, look at these on the top left corner. Cut, copy and paste options. These options are not turned on. Okay, so I am just gonna show you. Look, if I'm clicking on them, nothing is happening. So first of all, for these options to make them working, we need to select a portion. Like if I just make a selection over this first paragraph like this. Now look, cut and copy are now on, and as I click on them, they are just gonna start working. Now first of all, let's look throughout copy. What copy does is that it makes a copy of the original para, text or anything which you have written, and it does not remove it from its place but just makes a duplicate of it. Look, like the first paragraph is selected. When I press copy or control C is the shortcut, look, I have now just it is just copied now. And look, I'm just gonna click over here just below the para, and now the paste option is also available. Now as I'm gonna click paste, the text which I had copied earlier is gonna paste over here. Look, it's the same. This is the thing which copy does. But if I have just written it by mistake and I just want to remove it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make selection over it, and I'm going to press control plus X is the shortcut, cut, and just pressing the cursor over there, and then I press paste or control. Look, it's now over here, but it is now from the top. Now look at these are all the fonts which you can apply to your text. The default is selected calligraphy font by text font want to just tell you guys one more thing. I'm just gonna tell you about this eraser. This is not the eraser, but look. First of all, I'm just gonna make a selection. Now, as I have selected the entire text, I have made different changes. I have applied bold. I have changed the font. I have applied underline. If I am not liking it, so I'm just gonna remove it. I'm just not gonna remove it that I'm just selecting one para, then doing it manually. Just I'm gonna select the entire text and then press this clear all formatting button. Look, it's back to its original position. So this was it for today. Now today we learned about the font, bold, italic, underline, increasing and decreasing the size of the image, and along with the clear formatting tool.